This tutorial shows you how to send a message at a specific date and time on your Android device. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. After that, open the chat where you want to schedule a message. From there, tap on the text field at the bottom and type the message you want to send. At this point, instead of tapping the send button normally, press and hold it for a moment. In the next step, a small menu will pop up with two options: send without sound and schedule message. Following this, tap on Schedule Message to open the date and time picker. Once done, select the date you want the message to be sent by scrolling through the calendar. From here, set the exact time you want the message to go out. At this stage, tap the Schedule button to confirm everything. Finally, your message will be saved and automatically sent at the exact date and time you selected, without you needing to do anything else. You can also view, edit, or cancel any scheduled message before it goes out by opening the chat and tapping on Scheduled Messages at the top of the conversation. And that's it. If this Telegram guide helped you schedule messages ahead of time, give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.